subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has launched its new budget smartphone under A series in India called Galaxy A03 Core with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy A03 Core features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by UniSoC SC9863A chipset, paired with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy A03 Core supports a single 8MP camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture, and at the front, it has 5MP selfie camera under the V-shaped notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The handset runs on Android 11 out of the box under Go Edition, and it packs with a massive 5000 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.2 by 75.9 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 211 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy A03 Core has been priced in India at 7,999 Indian rupees, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy A03 Core smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.